You need to make sure that they are mapped, they are tight to each other. Otherwise, they would literally just come off, and it's really annoying. And once they come off as well, you have to recalibrate them. So you have to make sure they're on there really secure, and just tighten. You have to tighten a surprising amount, I'd say, until it really stops, and then it's not going to move. Luckily, with these lenses, because they're pretty modern lenses, they are not that hard to drive. What you might find though, if you've got an old lens or an anamorphic lens, they are so hard to twist that these motors actually, like, because there's so much pressure going into it, they actually keep pushing away, and they keep coming off the lens. So just be careful with that. All right, so that's on there. That's all we need to do. Unless we want to get a iris motor as well, this is all we need to do, and all we need to put on here when it comes to getting that working. So let's go grab our cable. Go to this one. This is your D-tap to LEMO. So the LEMO goes in, obviously, the motor part. Let's put it in. It doesn't really matter which port it goes into, just as long as it goes in one. And then obviously the same thing again happens where you match up the red dot with the red dot on the actual motor. Please, again, don't twist it, because there is actually more pins in here and it's easier to break. So this is to go around to our D-tap splitter or port, and that plugs in there. And it's not going to turn on by automatically, so you will need to turn it on. To turn it on, it just says power. You just push the power button on the other side, and you will hopefully get power.
It is on it.
What is?
1 second, let me check the main motor. Wouldn't surprise me if VHG have given me a broken kit by accident.
Who's getting the briefing?
I'm doing that, don't worry.
So I'm not currently getting power, so let's see what's going on here. It might be something to do with this battery.